Hi! Today I'm gonna teach you one of the greatest dishes of Eastern Europe, fried bread with garlic and cheese. This is one of the most popular dishes in my country, Lithuania. You can find it in every bar. Well, not now, they're all closed. Anyway, let's get started. You will need dark bread. The darker, the better. But basically you can make this dish from almost any bread, except white one. Then garlic, salt, fermented cheese, some greenery. I'm using parsley, but you can also add dills if you like, or any other chopped green leaves. And cooking oil. Take a weapon of your choice and cut your bread into pieces. Not too small, not too big. Pour a lot of oil into your pan. You'll need your bread to almost fully submerge into the liquid. Wait for oil to heat up. Check the heat with your hand. It must be really hot. Then add your bread. Pieces one by one. Don't hurt yourself with superheated oil, but do it fast because bread fries very fast. 1 second it's still squishy, and another it's a lump of coal. And do not overload the pan. Better do several runs of frying rather than trying to do everything all at once. Because if you put too much bread into the pan, you'll get boiled bread and not fried. And the taste of it...
You don't want to know.
After about 30 to 40 seconds, turn over every piece of bread. Do it quickly. This is crucial because if you turn down the heat for this job, all oil just soak into your bread like into a sponge, and you can throw your delicious snack away. I'm doing this too slow because we are filming it, but you, my friend, you can do that way more quickly. After you do that, wait another 30 seconds and start removing bread from the pan to your plate. If you feel that there is too much oil left on the bread, use paper towels, but in my case, I think this bread is just perfect. Some pieces look a bit burned, but it's okay. They are delicious as they are, believe me. After you finish the frying part, let your bread to cool down a bit. It's hot oil we are talking about, be careful. Then peel your garlic and give a rub with it to every piece of bread from both sides. Don't overdo it, 2 cloves of garlic should be enough to cover whole plate of the fried bread. Well, except if you like your mouth to burn like hell, then you can use more, but I strictly do not recommend, because you will feel only garlic then and nothing else. Then add some salt. Be generous, but not too generous. In fact, add as much as you like. I like a lot, so it may not be a best example of it. After salting, mix your bread and rub salted pieces one into another so the salt would cover every bread evenly. Now it's the time to grate some cheese. In fact, almost any cheese that melts is okay for this. Be generous. Cheese is delicious thing. Add a lot of it and distribute evenly. Then put your plate into the microwave for about 40 seconds so the cheese would melt. Look at this. I hope you're hungry. Now add your greenery and that's it. So good. Fantastic. Thank you for watching this delicious video. I hope you will succeed in your cooking adventures. And if you like my videos and enjoy my gaming content in general, keep in mind that you can support me on Patreon. Even $1 a month is very important for me, and it would help me to create more videos. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.